Welcome to this Huawei podcast.
Thank you very much.
We would just like to have your introduction and about your company.
So, thank you for having me here. I represent Ooredoo Qatar, and I am the product lead for Unified Collaboration. And I'm here to discuss my experiences with Huawei.
As a telecom operator, why do you choose the IdeaHub to offer to your customers?
Excellent question. I would say that when we had in the advent of 2019, 2020s, we had two C's, and these two C's were essentially cloud and COVID, unfortunately.
Yes.
So both of this changed the way people work. People were not working from their offices anymore. They shifted to work from different places.
Remote.
And this is where we thought that, we should introduce a product which is a plug and play, like a meeting room out of the box. And this is why we chose Huawei's IdeaHub, because it's a plug and play device. It's a giant, a device which can just be unplugged, and it can just be unbundled, and it can be connected, and it will work fine.
Can you tell us specifically what features you find very good, or which are the features which you choose the IdeaHub? Which are those?
I think the intelligent features of IdeaHub are the most excellent for me, because in olden times, setting up a complete video conferencing solution was a very, very big task for organizations. It was huge capex, big investment in hardware. Whereas IdeaHub, like I said, it's a plug and play device. So you can just plug it out, you can unbox the device, you can connect it to the internet, and it works perfectly. It has intelligent cameras, it has intelligent mics, it can record everything, and it gives you the power to the end user to do multiple things with this particular board, like whiteboarding, like video conferencing, and it's an open source. So basically it can work with multiple web conferencing tools like WebEx or Zoom or Teams. It can do multiple things. Plus it can also adapt to different situations. For example, we had a very, very good year in 2022 in Qatar, wherein we hosted the FIFA World Cup. And during FIFA World Cup, IdeaHubs became a very unique selling proposition, because people started using, I'm saying restaurants, they use the IdeaHubs in the mornings for meetings and so forth. I'm talking about the 5-star hotels and things. They used IdeaHubs in their business meetings, and in the evening they would pull it out to their restaurants wherein they are telecasting live matches. So this became a very big use case, and after that, hospitality is one of the biggest growth areas for us in Qatar for Ooredoo, for IdeaHub. So it can adapt to multiple situations, and this is the beauty of IdeaHub.
As a telecom operator, you are doing too big. How you manage service? How do you see Huawei's service of these products? How Ooredoo involved, and what are anything strengths or weaknesses you find in the IdeaHub?
I think one of the greatest successes for any operator is to have a headache-free service. Because as an operator, I do not want to introduce a service which will give me a spike on my contact center for complaints. And we have been selling IdeaHub since 2019, 2020, and till now our complaint rate, or the number of complaints that we have received for IdeaHub, is virtually negligible. And this is basically a headache-free service. You just install and you forget it, and the customers are happy with it. It has dual operating system. The customer can use Windows as well as Harmony, and everything works perfectly. It's a blend of a beautiful service with AI intelligence built into that, and this is what is giving us a huge advantage as against our competition in the market, because we as Ooredoo have actually bundled your beautiful product with our great service and a very, very good commercial model wherein we are offering IdeaHub as a service to the customer.
Wow.
So it becomes a very, very unique selling proposition, and this is the reason we have been so successful with IdeaHub in our markets in Qatar.
So when you said the offerings, are you talking about the capex? Are you talking about opex? Is it?
Yes, exactly. So when we are talking about offering, we are essentially talking about bundling the IdeaHub and offering it as a service on a monthly, a small monthly fee over a period of time, so that even a small customer today, he does not have to invest upfront in a huge capex. He can easily buy this service from us on a very small installments on a monthly basis, and during this period we are completely there to support the customer. So if there is any upgrades required, any support required, any kind of issues, they can reach out to us and we are able to fix it. And I think this has been the greatest partnership and a success for this particular product, that your great product and your great support is coming from your side. And secondly, we are actually able to, because we know our customers, we are having the contractual relationships, and we are able to bind the customers with us, and that trust that we are having with the customer, we are able to pass on to them yet another excellent product like IdeaHub.
Thank you very much. As a Ooredoo, as such a valuable company, respected name not in the Qatar but in the entire Middle East, what we are saying is the last question. Any expectations from the Huawei moving forward?
I think you guys are doing a great job. One of my biggest reasons why I work with Huawei is the great support that I get from your team. And this is the reason we are actually evolved from only Qatar. We have taken this particular product to all the geographies. So we operate in 10 countries right now, and we were able to extend this particular product to all of the countries, and we have seen similar successes in each of our operating countries where we operate as Ooredoo.
Thank you, Arslan. Thank you for joining this podcast.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for coming.
It's my pleasure.
And it's pleasure.
Thank you.